tell you few things. We are all having also the input, output, and storage device, right? Input is
Yes, ma'am.
our eyes and our ears are giving us the inputs. Like the way I am talking, you are listening, you are seeing me, you are seeing the book. So this is our input device, right?
Yes,
Output
ma'am.
is we are talking, like we are talking right now. So our mouth can be work as a output device, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
and our head is our storage device. Okay. So like this way, computer is having computer, and you know computer is totally brainless. Okay. So computer is having also input, output, and storage device, and which is called what here in this chapter. First today we will see. Now, first here, there is the computer is no use unless it is able to communicate with the outside world. Obviously, okay, because we are bringing computer for to do something, at least for to do our class, for to do our work, or anything like that. If we are needing that, that's why we are needing computer. Input and output devices are required by the users to communicate with the computer. In the simple terms, input take in information, just I'm annotating the screen. Input devices take in information in the computer, and output device take output information from the computer system. Okay. Right now you all have seen that I am using mouse. I hope that right now you can see this is my mouse. Okay, so this is my input system, right? I can do many things with my mouse. Keyboard, actually for my system's keyboard I am mostly using, so external keyboard is not there, and I'm also using one pen for to write on the computer. Okay, so these are my input device. Is it clear? Now I am talking with you. You can just see this thing in your machine or in your system. Someone is doing the class from the phone or something like that. That is the output system. The same thing is there in the computer. Computer do have one screen, or the monitor also we are saying, that is the output system. Also computer is having speakers by which the sounds you can listen, that is also output device. Now in the phone or anything, you will see that the input and output specifically we can't recognize. Suppose consider wait, I will take your consider this tab. Okay, here I'm just touching, and this is my input. I hope the light, for the light you can see. Okay, so here input and output is also coming through the screen. Okay, so input and
Yes, ma'am.
output for the tab or phone, like phones, for this type of, these are also portable computer. Also you have learned it in the class 3, I think. So here we can't recognize particularly, but for the system, I today I don't have any extra system with me, but if it is other day I do have it. You will see the keyboard, the mouse I have shown you right now. This is individually you can recognize, and we are typing it, we are clicking something by our mouse, and we are giving what? Giving instruction to our computer to do
Yes, ma'am.
something. And after that, computer is doing that thing and showing it on the monitor. Okay, so that we can see it. I hope that up to this it is clear. Now coming to here they have listed the input device and output device very nicely. So here you place input and output device. You need to memorize keyboard and mouse. I told joystick is actually for the cartoons it is used. Scanner, light pen is also I have shown you right now. Yes, Rajpreet. Why you all are raising hand? Why? Means today why I came to the class? Because ma'am is busy in her class performance. Nothing else. I don't think that I haven't talked much more. Yes, Sahim. Any important question?
Ma'am, I am in not computer book.
You are not having computer book. Why?
Ma'am, আমি মা বাড়িতে আসছি।
Do one thing. The wait for your turn. Yes, Bonusri.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, I want to say that can you please explain me what is a light pen?
Okay, light pen. Yes, I was about to explain that thing. Okay, light pen is actually one device like this. Okay, I hope that you all can see. Okay, right now our computer is by monitor, means by keyboard and mouse we are about to input. Now I want to write something. Suppose I am going to write my name. Okay, here this pen is compatible with my computer. So for that I was means I am able to, just wait, I am able to write on my screen. So this type of pen is known as light pen. There are also for the device to device, it is means it is changed. You have heard, I hope you have heard the word Apple Pencil, right? That is for designed for the particularly for the Mac OS. Okay. So it is changed device to device. Some devices having different technology and some devices having other technology. But mostly it is working like the way we are using our pen, that way. Okay, also it is working as mouse. Okay, suppose here I'm clicking, I hope that a black dot you can see, right? So it will also work for as the mouse. Okay, now touch screen is very easy. You all are having the touch screen phone, so that is also the input device. But for the touch screen, the confusion I told already. Suppose I am having one tab, I will not be able to see very nicely that what is the output part and what is the input part. That is embedded. Embedded means all the systems are just closely configured like this way. If you are just going to see the dissection of your all of you, I am suggesting you class 4, all of you listen to us what we are telling first. I'm seeing many one just raising the hand, seeing here and there, no, not, having no intention to do the class. But I know that you are having some big questions about the class. So my request is that please listen to us first, think about it, then do your question. Maybe what you are having the question, I am just going to cover it.
Okay, ma'am.
And not honestly, not you, means I'm not telling you like when I was here, many one of you are, since your friend has raised your hand, you have raised your hand. And I'm just saying that in between the class also you are chatting in the group, so please stop it. Focus on one subject at a time, not the 10 subjects at a time. So that is the embedded part. Okay, means closely it is configured. So we can, touch screen is input device, also the screen is also the output device. So better not to write exactly this kind of thing. So here coming to the output device, monitor, LED or LCD, printer, plotter. Plotter is actually a printer-like machine which is actually helping us to means helping us to, what can I say, print bigger version, flex, means in the plastic, some banners or something like that. And speaker also, we know how it is used. Okay, I think up to this everything is clear. I don't think that Aptina, Nauros, Faran, or Oishi, are you having any serious question from it, or can you just lower your hand? you are having any serious doubts up to this, please raise your hand only then. Yes, no, Rose. If I'm going to listen any rubbish question from you, I will just remove you from the class and lock the meeting. Yes, no, Rose. Go ahead.
Ma'am, I want to know that what are the LCD, LED and floater?
Plotter, I have explained. I hope that because you were busy in the raising your hand, you missed that part. Plotter is a big version of the printer by which we can print the flex printing, this kind of words you have seen. Banner you have seen means plastic বড় বড় করে বিজ্ঞাপন দেওয়া হয় বা কিছু, that is actually printed on this type of machine. LCD and LED, yes, LCD and LED is mostly the screen name. LCD is liquid crystal display and LED is light emitting device. So these are the monitor, how our monitor is there. These are the technology behind our monitor. Nowadays, you will not find any normal monitor. You will see that is either LCD or LED. Okay, I don't think
And-
that and Oishi, unmute please. What?
Ma'am, and these input and output device are also known as peripherals.
Input and output device are also known as
Peripherals.
also I am
See,
not
and I cannot understand. And I cannot understand CPU and memory.
you cannot understand what?
Then CPU and memory.
That part I have not covered. Okay. So
And ma'am, I
here
am
Not that. Is when CPU and memory.
CPU and memory I have just gone. No, so input and output device, how they are working.
I'm saying
Only, that part only I have covered. I told you up to this only. Up to this means not the entire chapter. You need to understand the instruction of the teacher as well. I understand your concern, but you need to understand us as well. Because if in one class, one page is going to be explained, then the class will be wasted. Okay, so these input and output devices are also called peripherals. These surround the CPU and the memory of a computer system. Peripherals means actually, you know, the CPU is the central processing unit. Okay, that line I haven't explained. Wait for a while. You are either you are having means either means I'm also human being. I just asked that up to this. Up to this means I have not covered that part. So CPU means central processing unit, means the computer is having some memory where it is just calculating, it is just storing the data and everything. Okay, so that is that part is known as the memory of a computer system, and peripherals are surrounding it. If you are going to see the laptop system, laptop is very small, very compact design. So the CPU, speaker, battery, for keyboard, everything is there in the one system. So CPU is there, and surrounding on it, the other systems are situated inside. That is why it is called peripherals. I hope that Oishi's question I have cleared it right now. Yes, no, Enakshi, any doubts?
Yes, ma'am.
What doubt?
Ma'am, I can't understand what is the meaning of barcode reader.
Barcode reader, so up to this I have not gone. So here again input device is given. Input device is any hardware device. Any hardware device. Please underline this. That sends data to the computer. Very important line. If your ma'am is going to ask you some question that what is input device, if you are missing only one word from this line, your answer will be wrong. Because sends data to the computer, I told you, by mouse I am giving instruction, by keyboard I can type, and it is hardware means what, I can touch. This is my mouse, I can touch the parts of the computer which I can touch. These are actually hardware device. Okay, without any input device, a computer would only be a display device and not allowed to interact with it. So if the definition is there wanting, only write the first line. That is for your understanding. Means এই জিনিসগুলো যদি না থাকতো তাহলে আমরা কম্পিউটারের সাথে ইন্টারঅ্যাক্ট করতে পারতাম না। সাপোজ কনসিডার দ্য মনিটর অনলি, ইউ brought one monitor only, so will it work like a computer? No, because CPU is not there, keyboard is not there, as well as the mouse is not there. So it will never work as a computer. Okay, that thing is just written over there. So mark the lines up to which I have covered.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of that? One minute, ma'am.
Meaning of what?
Ma'am, this one.
Which point? Last line.
No, no, ma'am. Touch screen. There was written. What
Touch
is that
screen,
meaning, ma'am?
in which system you are doing your class?
Hello.
In which system you are doing your class?
A mobile phone.
Mobile phone. Now it is not a normal mobile phone, it is touch, it is screen touch, right? Means by finger you are giving instruction to your mobile phone. Right or wrong, Anakshay?
Right, ma'am.
Then it is touch screen. Computer is also available nowadays which is having touch screen. Okay, so here
KIOSKS. What's the name and pronounce it? KIO. When there is tasking, there was written as tasking always the user of operate makes selection by simple touching the display screen. Common example of tasking include information KIOSKS.
that thing I have not explained, I think so.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of kiosk?
Kiosk. Information kiosk means from where the information is getting shared. Up to that I have not gone. You should have to be learn the patience. Means learn the patience means what? ধৈর্য ধরতে হবে সবাইকেই। ভীষণ অধৈর্য, everyone in this class. Very impatient, all of you are. Wait for us. We will go there and we will explain everything. It's not like that I'm coming here and I'm just going to just mark the chapter and I will move out. Okay, so up to today, up to which part we can complete, only then that part we will complete. Okay, after that if you are not able to understand, that time you ask the question.
Ma'am, tomorrow the is coming.
I know you don't like me. Okay, so keyboard, barcode reader. Now barcode reader, this machine we all have seen. Where you have seen? In the shopping mall. That time you can see that the one tag, the tag of our dress or getting something just like this, they are just scanning and that their bill is automatically on their screen. That is known as barcode reader. Okay, barcode reader is specially designed to read the barcodes, okay, so that we can easily, means they can easily make the what can I say, make the bill. Mouse, light pen, joystick, I told joystick mostly used for computer animation or also playing the game in the computer. Scanner and touchpad. Touchpad is, I can say like that, there are some device, okay, by which, suppose your computer is not touch screen, there are some device of which you can configure with your machine and you can write normally, okay. You suppose your machine does not provide a particular pen with it or something like that, so this is actually known as touchpad. Now here the keyboard is there. Just wait for a while. I am just going to show you some pictures of touchpad. Can you see the device like this here, where I'm just moving my cursor? This is compatible with computer. Not only that, if you are having laptop is also having the touchpad. The mouse is individually not configured inside the computer only. The mouse is there and the mouse is touch, means we are touching it and we can move my cursor. Can you see it? This is actually touchpad. So let's see the joystick also. So this is joystick. I think boys are very accustomed with this. Means for the PlayStation and all these type of games, these kinds of remote is provided specifically for the playing games. Sometimes it is also used for making the animations as well. So mouse also I told, mouse and what why it is used here, for what you will learn first. Up to after that you will learn scanner, touchpad, everything you will learn. Up to this you will learn. And keep keyboard, the structure means tab key, caps lock key, where what is called function keys, you need to know it, okay. From the picture right now you need to know, because that time, this time you are not coming in the school for the pandemic, so we are unable to show you. Next is a mouse. Mouse is a small device which is used to point a particular place. Suppose here I am just moving my cursor. Can you see that my pen is also moving? So for giving instruction, or suppose I am just here, just click on the start button. So instruction I can give with the mouse. Okay. Next, here what it can be used to select menu, commands, resize, windows, start programs. If you are having the machine, you all know the most convenient use of the mouse has two buttons on the top, the left one being used most frequently, but also for the making folder, we are also using the what? Also using right click also. Yes, Paushali, any question up to mouse?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Paushali, go ahead.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of this?
Barcode reader.
Yes, ma'am.
I just told right now. Have you listened to it or you have disconnected from the class?
Ma'am, disconnected.
Barcode reader was means in the shopping mall. Have you gone anytime? In the
Yes,
shopping
ma'am.
mall, you have gone anytime. That time you have brought anything, any dress, any foods or anything. Have you brought?
Yes, ma'am.
So that time you can see that they are just scanning. They suppose No, here is not there. Okay. On my phone's back, you see that there is a line structure is there. Means
Yes, ma'am.
right now I don't think right now. Yes,
Yes,
yes.
ma'am.
That thing if is there. If you are going to buy something, there is one machine. Okay, like this, they're clicking a red light is scanning the barcode, and the bill is getting prepared automatically inside the machine. Okay, that is known as
Okay,
barcode
ma'am.
reader. Okay, so up to this today
Or
I have,
ma'am,
yes, partially.
ma'am, what is the meaning of 1 minute? This, ma'am.
Peripherals, I explained. Peripherals means the surrounding of the CPU. I will just post this in the what can I say, in the YouTube channel. So from there you please see. Peripherals is nothing actually. Computers laptop system is having the means compact system. So CPU and beside the CPU all the other systems are there. That is known as peripherals. Okay, this is
Okay,
a
ma'am.
new
No more
word.
doubt.
No exactly meaning is there, but the exact meaning is like that. Just wait for a while. I need to take the attendance. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, yes. Welcome. All of you just means internet connection. Make your internet connection nice. Means if Geo is not working, there are some other themes also. Please use that. Yes, Noros.